Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Want this transition? Then follow my steps. It's really simple and easy to make. First, arrange your clips in order. Now we want to make a transition here. Freeze this frame and put it above the previous clip. And trim it. Now, remove the background and make cutout of your subject. Add a keyframe, copy it and adjust its position from your desired direction. Choose Cubic Out Graph. Now, add keyframes for zoom effect in the next clip. And there we have the cutout plus zoom in transition. That's it for today's video, guys. Comment for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.